Hi fans, welcome to my home. My name is Penny and we have a special guest with us today. This is SheRex. As you can probably imagine, SheRex is not able to find a mask out there in the big world to cover her face to keep her protected. So today we are going to show you how to make a no-sew face mask. One that will fit us, and we'll make one to fit SheRex. Okay, so now what we have here is a piece of cloth 20 by 20. The CDC recommends that the cloth be 20 by 20 so it can be folded and have multiple layers. You can also use a bandana because they are of perfect size. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to take our cloth and we want to fold it. And then we're going to fold it again. Okay, now we're going to take a rubber band, or you can use a hair tie, whatever you have, and we're going to slip it onto the ends of our folded cloth, about 6 inches. Do this on both sides. Okay, now once you have your cloth and you have folded your rubber bands on, now you want to take these ends and you want to fold them inwards, and they should overlap. If they don't, adjust your bands. Should look like that. Once you have your mask all folded, your rubber bands in place, you now want to pick them up and secure it onto your face. And that is how you make a no-sew mask. Bye, SheRex.